Electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells is a system or arrangement where two different electrodes are fitted in the two different electrolytic solution. These two electrolytic solutions are interconnected by a salt bridge, or two different electrodes are fitted in the same electrolytic solution are known as electrochemical cell. This electrochemical cell again divided into electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. Let us see the differences between electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. Differences between electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. Electrolytic cell. In electrolytic cell, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Whereas in case of galvanic cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now let us see the sign. In electrolytic cell, anode carries positive charge, cathode carries negative charge. Whereas in galvanic cell, anode carries a negative charge and cathode carries a positive charge. Cathode carries a positive charge. Exactly reverse position. Both are carries reverse charges. Next point. Ions are discharged on both the electrodes. That means you can see the discharge at anode and cathode. Anode as well as cathode. Whereas in case of galvanic cell, discharge take place at cathode. Discharge take place at cathode. Next, discharge means here the deposition of the metal or release of the gas take place at cathode only. Whereas in case of electrolytic cell, the deposition or evolution of a gas take place at anode as well as cathode. Next point. Both the electrodes are fitted in the same compartment. Here, if you observe in electrolytic cell, both the electrodes are fitted in the same compartment. Whereas here, both the electrodes are fitted in two different compartments. Two different electrodes fitted in the two different compartments. Okay, now let us see the electron flows. Electron flows. So the flow of electrons in both the cases take place from anode to cathode. Here also anode to cathode. So similarly, when electrons flows from anode to cathode, what is happening at anode? At anode, oxidation reactions take place. Oxidation reaction means loss of electrons. The metal loses electrons. Is known as oxidation. So at anode, oxidations take place. At cathode, reduction take place. Reduction means gain of electrons. The electron loss at electrode. The electron loss at anode, that electron flows from anode to cathode. Electron flow from anode to cathode through external circuit. Similarly, here also at anode oxidation reactions take place. The electron which lost at anode that flows from anode to cathode, right? So here this electron gained by that metal ion then get reduced, known as reduction. So at anode oxidation reactions take place, at cathode reduction reactions take place. But in both cases, what is the major difference? Yes, sign. In electrolytic cell, anode carries a positive charge and cathode carries a negative charge. Whereas in galvanic cell, anode carries a negative charge and cathode carries positive charge. In both cases, charges are different. Here it is a positive charge, anode is positive charge, means here it is a negative charge. So charges are different, but the chemical reactions at anode and cathodes are same. Okay, these are the major differences between electrolytic cell as well as galvanic cell. Thank you.